Before you start Project 9, make sure you read the introduction in your book. Once you've done that, create a artboard. A letter size is great. Make sure your units are set to inches. Once you have your artboard, you want to set your workboard to Essential Classics. And in View, open your rulers, or you can use the shortcut for it as well. Drag out a ruler and line it up with roughly the center of your artboard. And then inside, hold down Option and click, and you will get the units for your ellipse. Enter 13 millimeters. Make sure you have no stroke and a black fill. Now, as you move this, you want to have your info window open. If you don't have it, go to Window and Info. This will allow you to see how far up you're moving something, or how far you're moving anything in any direction. And move it up 2.5 inches. Hold on Shift to keep it horizontal. Now switch back to your Direct Select tool or your white arrow tool and drag down the bottom of the petal to make it look more like a flower. You want to select the whole petal. Go to Rotate. Select the center of your artboard and then put in your units and hit Copy and then Command D. And then that Command D shortcut will give you the rest of the petals because it's copying and repeating your last command that you gave Illustrator. We're going to move on and make the circles for the middle. We're going to do this as a brush. We're going to create a circle brush here, or pattern brush, I'm sorry. Change the spacing, and by allowing tints in the coloration method, you can give colors to your brush. And to easily create circles, we're going to use a polar grid. Now you have 5 circles that are the same, that are in proportion to each other. And you can now apply the circles to, or your brush to the strokes of those circles. If you need to change the spacing like I had to do here, just double click on your brush and that will open up the selection for it. Then I'm going to use my the one I used as a model to create the very center of my flower. You can now go ahead and color your flower in something more exciting by select one of them and go to Select Same. You're now selecting everything that looks the same, so everything that has the same fill, everything with the black fill. You can open up a already design palette, or you can make your own. And in your the center of your flower, because it's a brush, your circles is going to be whatever stroke color you have. And then once you have your flower, you can also hide your rulers, save your image, and submit it to your assignment.